find this Odoo where where I thought I can test it. I can implement and test it, and it was not requiring a huge investment.
True.
And when I saw the other ERP like JD Edwards and SAP, so like huge company, and they have a consultant, they will ask for this, proposal and this and that, and they keep it very, it's like a black box. Now my accountant was using the tally things. So now he's also, I'm also training him to use this Odoo ERP, and then we have linked the banking. So, everything is getting streamlined through this one single ERP.
Hello everyone, I'm Harshita Pannani, Head of Customer Success here with Odoo India. Today with us, we have Mr. Arjun, the owner of PetroGas. We'll discuss about his perspective about various applications which Odoo offers and how it has helped him to consolidate his various business needs. Let's dive into Mr. Arjun's journey with Odoo ERP.
I'm Arjun Singh. I'm working as a partner for PetroGas. So earlier we were managing the entire business through disparate set of software. Like for attendance, we have a different thing. And for sales, purchase and invoice, we were managing a different set of software. And and HPCL is also using a JD Edwards ERP. So maintaining a different set of things, but they are not talking to each other. So I wanted a ERP basically, which I can test and implement, and then I can expand. For all my business functions, like doing sales, purchase, these are the basic things, and then attendance and all these things. So for that, I thought for SME, I was not finding any other ERP because they were like black box and they require huge investment. And after that, even I'm not sure what I'll get in the return. So through browsing and through other means, I find this Odoo where I thought I can test it. I can implement and test it, and it was not requiring a huge investment. Because when you don't see the result, you won't do it.
Agree.
Right. So I implemented the Odoo ERPs. Now the sales is happening, and purchase invoice and everything is happening, and the accounting part. Now my accountant was using the tally things. So now he's also, I'm also training him to use this Odoo ERP, and then we have linked the banking. So everything is getting streamlined through this one single ERP. So this is how I started my journey with the Odoo.
Right. Yeah. So that was really good to know your journey with Odoo.
Yeah.
My more interesting section would be, I really like to know about your company, the company which you are implementing Odoo with for.
See, my company, I'm having a staff of 25 people, and we are into selling petrol, diesel, and CNG. So, and we are like a dealer of HPCL. So I'm like a partner. I'm handling the entire business, and another partner, he's having his asset, but he's like a dormant partner. So I'm managing the entire thing. So we are having a sales of roughly every day we are making sales of around 8 lakhs. So and handling a 25 staff, and they all have a different things issues. So I have to run around, and earlier everything recording through Excel and maintaining it, and then searching it in my laptop, it was a little tedious. So that's why it's one thing. So I really liked it.
Great. That's so good that you are liking this system.
So for SME, I mean, earlier the SME people, they were little afraid of using this ERP because we always thought it requires huge investment. And when I saw the other ERP like JD Edwards and SAP, so like huge company, and they have a consultant, they will ask for this, proposal and this and that, and they keep it very, it's like a black box. So that was through which, if we make investment into this and we don't know what the result will get, so that was the challenge.
So, you said that you are really liking as an SME, you are liking Odoo.
I'm still,
So you said it's difficult for in other ERPs to see the result. Could you tell me how soon you saw the result in Odoo?
After implementing, so first I implemented the sales, and then along with it purchase and other things. So that was streamlined. Now I'm planning to expand. everything is sorted out. Earlier
Right.
it was very disrupted, so now it is sorted out.
Mhm.
Now I'm going for a HRMS,
Okay.
so that requires the attendance module
Right.
and the staff leave management and
Right.
creating payrolls and etc. So within 2 months I was okay with it. The first few modules I have implemented and that was running fine.
So you said you belong, you guys are selling petroleum, diesel. So according to me, the users or your team members would be not very okay with the ERP. So how was your dealing? How's your user currently with Odoo?
Yeah, see, we have accountant, auditors, and other staff. So, earlier they were using a different set of
Right.
software. So they are hands-on with those, and obviously they resist changes. So
Right.
it's like I forced them, and I also trained them.
Right.
So that when you are used to using a different like Tally, so
Agreed.
replacing a Tally would be a daunting task because that is used as a currency. Now every
Right.
auditor and every other is
True.
asking for a Tally file. From manager's perspective, I think reporting that is good in this. So we are maintaining both because we have to interact with the other outer world also. So they ask for Tally, but the employees, they have been using different things. So, but now after 2 months, I trained them
Yes.
how to use it. So now they are making it, making good use of it,
Right.
and they are finding it easy.
Okay. So you told me that you initially started the company. You guys are selling up to many, petroleum and businesses.
Petroleum, lubricants,
Yes.
and also
Yes,
keeping track.
So how was your company's journey?
I took over it in 2019.
Oh.
So it's been more than around 4 years. So
Right.
after that, initially, so I have to run around for many things
places, yes.
like banks. We interact with a lot of things like a VAT official, bank, HPCL,
Right.
and then stamping department, weight and measurement, and police also. So
I
it's like
understand,
and labor
right.
department. So it's like many things we as a business we face. But now after using it, like some of my tension has been okay because it is sorted out because of this. It is centrally stored, and whenever I can access it and I can see the even what happened before 2 months earlier. I
Right.
was not able to do it. So and many things depended on me. Even my
Right.
partner, if we can ask, he's a dominant partner, but sometimes he asks, "Arey, what happened during that 2 months? We haven't made the sales for lubricant, so you can check it." So now it is centrally on a cloud Odoo ERP, so we are finding it very useful.
Great. So great to know that,
Yeah,
we are able to relieve your stress.
yeah. Actually, it is actually helping SME a lot. Even through my connection, with other companies. Few of the projects they are calling me to
Yeah.
implement ERP.
Right.
from
Oh, is
Odoo.
it?
So I was like, how to do it? I've helped them, so it's like just started helping. I've taken a few projects also because Odoo has relieved me from
Much of the stress.
Yeah, stress, and it has given me some spare time. So I thought, chalo, I'll help the other SMEs
True.
to implement it. So I have
So-
few projects, and
Yeah.
so that's why after this interview, I want to meet a developer from
Yes.
your team so that I can interact with him.
Great.
No.
So, being a part of Odoo customers as well, now you're helping
Yeah,
others
helping.
to get
Yeah, I'll become Odoo
implemented.
consultant. Yeah.
Wow, that's so good. So good to know. So, this was more about you, Odoo, and your company. It
Yeah.
was amazing to know about these things. Could you please help me to know what was your experience for Odoo Community Days?
I've attended few seminars, so
Yes.
it was good. Even they were handling all the queries. Even I asked them. So I find it good, and now still I think I'll attend 1 or 2 more seminars. So
Oh, great.
I'll check.
Thanks a lot. Thank you
Yeah,
for your
thank
time. Thank you for being with us here in this interview. I've
Thank-
learned a lot from you. Thank you.